Hi, how are you? Today I want to share my complete experience using GlucoGen17, a natural supplement I started taking to help keep my blood sugar levels under control. I have to admit that at first I was pretty skeptical because I had already tried several methods and none of them really worked. But I decided to give GlucoGen17 a chance, and I was positively surprised by the results. Before I continue, a very important warning. Due to high demand, many people are falling for scams and buying counterfeit versions. That's why it's essential to buy only from the official website to guarantee a safe and original product. To make it easier, I've left the official link in this video's description. Glucogen 17 has a 100% natural formula, including ingredients like cinnamon, fenugreek, grapeseed extract, green tea, and other powerful active compounds that help balance blood sugar levels effectively and safely. The supplement is FDA approved, which made me even more confident since I knew it had undergone rigorous quality and safety testing. Using it is simple. Take 2 capsules per day, preferably one in the morning and another at night, always with a glass of water. Maintaining consistency is essential to achieve the best results. After a few weeks of consistent use, I started noticing significant changes. My daily energy increased. I stopped experiencing those sudden crashes, and my cravings for sweets decreased drastically, which made it much easier to stick to a balanced diet. I also noticed that my appetite was more controlled, which helped me maintain a healthier diet and even lose weight naturally, which was a very welcome surprise. I managed to keep my blood sugar levels more stable, which had a positive impact on my mood and overall energy. My memory became sharper, my focus improved a lot, and my mood was much more balanced. Another key point, I didn't experience any side effects, which made me feel even more comfortable continuing with the supplement. Of course, each body reacts differently, but for me, Glucogen 17 exceeded expectations. Overall, I can say that Glucogen 17 was a natural, safe, and effective solution to control blood sugar, improve my quality of life, and even help with weight loss. It's not a magic formula. Keeping a healthy diet and exercising is still essential, but this supplement became a great ally in my routine. If you're looking for a natural, practical, and reliable way to control your blood sugar and improve your well being, I truly recommend trying Glucogen 17. In addition, I felt more energetic throughout my daily activities and even noticed my skin looking healthier, which was an amazing bonus. Never forget, always buy only from the official website to guarantee authenticity and safety. The official link is in the video description.